You. Yes, you. You are killing your Facebook ads campaigns, and in this video I'm going to reveal the 3 deadly mistakes you're most probably making and they are causing your ads to flop. I've been running Facebook ads campaigns since 2012, maybe even before that. Like they were few clicks, you click them and the ad would be running. So I've seen this platform evolving over time, and I have seen how the algorithm changed, how our targeting changed, how we as customers changed. And I have seen how we needed to update our strategies in order to keep running successful ads on Instagram and Facebook. So believe me when I say that running successful Facebook ads campaigns is not hard at all. It's all about avoiding the 3 common mistakes I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure to watch this video up until the end. Mistake number 1, your mindset. If you are running ads with the mindset that I will just test the water, spend $1,000 and see if it works, don't even bother. It's true, ads can bring you quick sales, and that's why a lot of people hype them as a quick fix things to get sales. But in reality, getting sales is different than getting profitable sales. You might not be even able to be profitable in the first week, month, or even quarter, so you must be ready. Especially if you are advertising for a business with 0 sales, 0 data, it's even tougher. So let's get your mindset straight. Meta ads need time in order to be able to find your ideal customers. So you must be ready to spend time, effort, and money until you reach this phase. Give the algorithm, your campaigns, and even yourself time to learn and adjust to this new platform. The most successful advertisers are the ones who keep on testing even when things look rough. So if you have a good product and you continue working on improving your ads, profitable sales will come sooner or later. You just need to keep on testing and learning and improving. And here is a very important tip. When you start running ads, don't go to Facebook and check the results every single hour. This doesn't work. First, the platform needs time in order to show the results. Second, your customers' behavior will change from one day to another, from the weekdays to the weekend, from an hour to another. So you need to look at this on a large window, maybe 7 days or something like this. So start your campaigns, give them a budget that's at least equal to 3 times your cost of acquisition, and let them run. And focus on improving your ads and your landing page. This is the most important thing that you should be doing. Mistake number 2, focusing on the wrong things. Facebook ads are all about the creatives, the ads themselves. So forget all about lookalikes, targeting, retargeting, and all of this old stuff and focus on your ads. This is where the magic is. Your ads should focus on showing your product benefits, and most importantly, on showing the transformations your potential customers will get after purchasing and using your products. This is what you should be focusing on. When we buy something, we buy it because we want to improve our lives, we want to improve ourselves, or we want to fix a problem that we have. You need to show that your product is being able to do all of these things. And you need to show the before and after, how this product is going to solve the problem, how this product is going to improve your customers' lives. That's how you create good, powerful Facebook ads. And when I talk about ads, I'm talking about all types of ads. Pictures, carousels, videos. But we all know that the most important type of ads are videos, and precisely UGC videos. If you want to know more about UGC videos and what I mean by saying good video ads, I highly recommend you to check this video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I show you 3 super successful Facebook ads that you can get inspired from and you can actually copy for your products and your business. Here are some examples of ads that you must test. First, the before and after. This type of ads will show the real transformation your customers are going to get after using your product. The second type of ads are testimonials, where you show other people talking about the product, the benefits, and so on. Then you can test product demonstrations, so showing your product in action, showing people using your product and profiting from it. And also you can try things like founder stories and stuff like that. The most important thing is to have a large portfolio of ideas. It's super important to test in order to know what kind of ads are going to resonate best with your target audience. And you should create a system where you can produce at least one new ad every single week. Either you would be the one like filming the ads, shooting them and editing them if you are good with content creation. And even if you are not good with content creation, this is a skill that you must learn. Or you can have, let's say, some content creators that you work with on a weekly basis. You send them the products, they film videos for you, you ask them, for example, to record a certain script and so on. This is gonna require more budget and more money, but it's totally doable. The most important thing is to find a system that works for you. And you must keep in mind that testing new angles, new hooks, new scripts, and new ideas is super important, and this is your only way to know what type of ads is going to work. For every video you create, have a very strong 3 seconds hook at the beginning in order to capture your customers' attention. Second, make your video super engaging by keeping the pace super quick and fun. And third, make sure to finish your video with a call to action. Mistake number 3, and it is to ignore your product page. And this is one of the most common mistakes I see people doing. When you are running ads for an e-commerce business, most probably your product page is your landing page, or your product pages are your landing pages. So you're leading people from Facebook and Instagram toward this page. This is where your sales are going to happen. That's why this page or these pages are extremely important. Always when you are running ads, think with this mindset. When you are running ads, you need to keep in mind that your ads work is to lead people from Facebook and Instagram toward your website. And your website job is to convert them. That's why making sure that your product pages are well optimized is extremely important. So when we are talking about optimizing your product pages, we are talking about making sure that you have all the different elements that can get you a good conversion rate. So for example, you must have reviews. If people landed on your product page and there is no reviews in there, there is no proof that your product works, that your product delivers what you have promised, it's super hard for them to convert. In addition to reviews, including information, detailed information about your product is also extremely important, especially if you are selling something complicated or something that needs education. In this case, you need to put a lot of effort into your product information and how to introduce them within your product page. Maybe text wouldn't be enough. Maybe you would need to use infographics, charts, tables, comparison tables, and so on. In addition to product information, reviews, good product photography, there are so many other things that can affect your product page conversion rate. And I have talked about this topic so many times on this YouTube channel, and there are so many videos that talk about this topic in here. So make sure to check all of them. They will help you to get your conversion rate up, and they will help you to make more and more sales. But there is one additional mistake that might be killing your ads, and it is to have the wrong campaign structure. If you want to know how to structure your ad account in the right way in order to run successful Facebook ads campaigns, I highly recommend you to check this video on this YouTube channel. In this video, I show you in details everything you need to know about this topic. So make sure to check this video.